living in Alicante, Spain for about 2.5 months now. I live in an apartment. It's a 4-bedroom apartment with my one roommate, so we have 2 extra bedrooms that you'll see. We live in downtown Alicante, so we have nightlife, restaurants, shopping, all near us, and then we're about a 10-minute walk to the beach, and we take the tram every morning, about 30 to 40 minutes to classes every day. So come check out our cool apartment. So you walk in, and directly to the left we have Deanna's room.
Bienvenido.
Here we go, here's your room.
Yes.
Pretty big closet space.
Watching YouTube as usual.
Yep, a lovely twin bed. And look at this view. We're gonna keep going. Oh, and she has a bathroom. Not much to see. Alright, then we keep walking, and to the right we have our kitchen. Nothing too fancy. We have an oven, stove, toaster, microwave, sink, no dishwasher, of course. We have a little table in here, and our fridge, and then some extra room for pantry things. If you keep walking, we have our laundry room. Nothing fancy. Out here, we get to dry all of our clothes with our neighbors. If you keep walking straight, on the left, we have our living room, which is actually a pretty big room. We have a nice big table where we like to eat dinner, and some couches for us to hang out on. Here's also our balcony, which is really nice to sit outside. Here's our TV and some extra drying racks, some extra shelves, but we don't really have any decoration since we're only here for a little bit. Then we walk down the hallway. There's our kitchen again. Here's another bedroom, and we don't have roommates right now, so it's just the 2 of us in this 4-bedroom apartment, but it's a little bit smaller, but it's got its closet, bed, table, chair. And then if we keep going, here's another room, which we don't have another roommate. And here's a nice big closet space you can see. Then we have another bathroom. This is my bathroom. Here's our toilet, sink, shower. Got lots of room for storing things. And last but not least, this is my room. And I have a great big closet. I got really lucky with that. Then I have some space to keep all my stuff. And lastly, just my bed. I made it so that I have all my pictures up so that I feel more at home, because I always have pictures up at home. And then just have my purses, my bags, my desk, and pretty much that's it. I look out into our neighbors and our laundry, which is really fun. That's pretty much all to our apartment. I hope you like it. We have another 2 months left of living here. It's really sad because I only have 2 months studying more abroad. And that's pretty much it. Adios!